In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Perplexity AI on web and mobile. First, open Perplexity AI. You can do this in your web browser by heading to the official Perplexity AI website or by launching the Perplexity AI app on your device. If you're using a browser, it's best to use a modern one for the smoothest experience. On mobile, make sure the app is updated so that all settings, including language, are available and working properly. If you're switching between devices, remember that the interface may look slightly different, but the steps are the same. Next, log into your account. Click Log In and enter your credentials as you normally would. If you don't have an account yet, choose Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. This typically involves verifying your email and setting a secure password. Logging in ensures your preferences are saved to your profile, so the language change will reliably stick across sessions and devices. Quick note before we continue, I've placed the official website link and, if you prefer the app, the trusted download link right at the top of the description. Use those to get to the correct place quickly and safely. Once you're in, access the language settings. Click your profile icon on the dashboard. It's usually located in the top corner of the screen. In the profile menu that appears, look for the language option. If you don't immediately see it, scroll through the menu carefully. On mobile, it may be within a Settings or Preferences subsection, but it will still be clearly labeled as language. Now choose your preferred language. Select the language you want Perplexity AI to display. As soon as you make your choice, the interface text, menus, and the assistant's responses will reflect that language. If you're multilingual, pick the one you want to use most often. You can return here anytime to switch again. Keep in mind that changing the display language won't affect your existing content, only how the app presents information and responds moving forward. Finally, save your changes. Click Save or Apply to confirm your new language setting. Give it a moment to refresh, and you should immediately see everything updated. To make sure it worked, try a quick prompt or navigate through a few menus. If you want to revert or try another language, just head back to the same menu and repeat the process. That's it. You've successfully set your preferred language in Perplexity AI. Thanks for watching.